Hi, good afternoon. Now your time around 12:30. I'm going again office returning. I'm returning to office. I sub whatever bank work is done. Bank work done. Now no problem. Again something is there. Again I need to come bank. While coming lunch, I'm returning again home. Na that time I will submit that another work. See, Anji is not big person, small person only. Need to walk here and there. But it's okay. Hi.
Good Santa.
That person is asking, they're like scaring something, they're scaring me also. What I can, I no need to shoot or what? I will shoot whatever I want, I will shoot it. Nobody can stop me. Until unless if I do mistake, then only any person I need to answer. Otherwise, I will not care for anybody. But here I need to care. Because it is foreign, I need to be very scary here. Something I heard one news I take one news I yesterday I saw. One person. What happened yesterday? One post I saw where in way to SMS I saw one ad. Not ad, one news. You'll come right way to SMS. America it seems one person is old person, 55 years old person. Huh? Something discussion had happened it seems. He beat on his face it seems, and he died. That's why here I will not fight anyone. I'll just surrender myself and I will keep on moving. I'll keep on moving. I'll not fight with any person. If I'll do something, then if I'll do something, they will kill me, my family. Where will go? That's why I'll not see where and all how we need to act. I know now. Where I need to talk, where I need to surrender, where I need to do activities, where I can fight, where I can relieve, where I can move on. All things I know now. See, in fact, this is outside country, right? We are just came for visitors purpose. We are not like locals. So you have to be always. You have to keep in mind with fear and scare. If something you are acting like this, they will cut your tiles. Okay, and my name only is there, na tile. That's why I'm tile. My tile always I'm putting under control. I'll not move here and there. My tile. That's what life is. Foreign countries. We need to be very scary always. In fact, what happened? What happened? Video shooting also a big problem. See, for this YouTubers and all, I don't know how they are shooting. Some places they're not allowing to shoot also. But it's okay. That's why most of the videos I'm shooting in my room only. Nobody can stop me that time. Nobody can stop me. Nobody can question me also. That's okay. Bye bye. 3 minutes. Bye. I'm uploading. I'll talk to my wife sometimes before reaching us. Bye bye. Tata. This is Anji signing off.